So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the special webinar you have all joined today. Very thankful to all of you to take your time off to learn something and useful, which I hope you'll find it useful. Like, just one second, I'll just share my video also so that you'll be able to see whom you're speaking to. So, let me introduce myself. I hope I hope my sound is clear enough and my video is clear enough. If you have any issues, you can always take help of one of our team members, or you can write in the chat and I'll be helping. So during this webinar, you can we will have interaction at the end of the webinar. So feel free to stay till the end and ask whatever questions you want to ask, because during the webinar, in between webinar, I'll not take questions, but definitely I'll take all your questions will be answered at the end of the webinar. Okay. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Anurag Sabu. I am your presenter and for this webinar today. I am the director, co-founder of Fund Expert FinTech. I am also gold medalist from IIT Madras and MBA from IIM Bangalore. And you can see as if I was receiving gold medal for topping my branch from Dr. Manmohan Singh, who was the finance minister then. And I have over 25 years work experience. So I'm just 2 years away from crossing 50 years in my life. So, okay, so that's been my journey. So in the meantime, I have been a CMT, I'm a CFP, I'm a CFP, and virtually all kind of, apart from those certifications, I have virtually all kind of certifications which one would require to practice or understand this, the advisory and financial markets in Indian conditions. So virtually I have been there, or done all. Okay, so with that kind of background, I had founded a company almost 10 years, that is 2000, almost 10 years back. Now that is a software solutions company, because I was into fintech, because as you can see, my background was in finance and technology. And we developed this product called the Enterprise Mutual Fund Platform, and it's a digital for large institutions. We won a lot of awards for that. So we got award for Top Fintech 50, Barclays, Thomson Reuters, Village Capital. Virtually, we won recognitions every place. And then we also acquired large B2B clients like Kotak, Wealth, Stockholding, Edelweiss, Bajaj Finserv. They remain our large enterprise clients for the software what we build. But in this entire process, I also came across something interesting. When I was building all this platform thing, then we came across BSE Star and all that, who have been very, very promoting us, if you can speak to them, to use for their customers, for large customers, their financial customers. They also, almost 3 years back, we had a discussion with them and they said, why don't you build something for small advisors? So then we started looking at what we can do for smaller and medium-sized advisors, what we can do for them. And then we figured out what is their problem, what problem they face. And then, because the solution has to be in line with whatever problems you face, right? So this is what we came up. And why I'm telling you all this, because I'm just telling you the background of what the topic which I'm going to cover, how MFT is scaled up. That background topic is linked to this. So you should know the one who is presenting what is the background and how they are linked and how this solves that problem and how they were able to do. So I'll share you very interesting stories also of different people across India who were able to do lots of interesting things and lots of interesting in their life. And there are lots of things which you can take across as a lesson for your own business, and you can also learn something interesting in the same thing. Okay, so here's the next thing. So obviously, when I became all this, I was part of this national fin. I'm still part of that because I've been dealing with all large enterprises. These are all my potential customers. You can see ICICI Bank head is there, SBI head is there, and all these kind of people. So I'm part of this national fintech committee, and I sit with all these guys and do all this. That's how I've been there. This is me, by the way. So this is the background and journey from where I was coming from. So then I said, in 2019, I came across this. And then I had this opportunity and started looking at smaller advisors. So then we realized, smaller advisors, why they are facing this problem. They are facing challenges from large advisors as well as from the regulators, as well as from, it is almost, you will feel as a small advisor, if you have been there for a while, that the entire system is against you. Everybody, so you feel like that because everybody is after them and they're finding themselves, sometime back your names were asked to change, and then you had restrictions in place, your earnings coming down. So they have a lot of issues, and the only way they can fight out is if they can scale themselves up, because they don't. And then they realize, why are not they doing it? Whereas if you see, there are robo advisors and there are financial companies which have come much later, and they have scaled up and raised funds and become very valuable and acquired customers then what is the difference between someone who has been doing this alone individually, somebody who's doing as institutional, is the amount and the fund they have to build a large quality digital, or hire teams like us to build large quality digital platform, which will bring their customer acquisition cost to a level that they can just throw away services for free, and then bring down the operation cost to such a level that they can do almost go away with that. And then they can scale up by selling all kind of services on their platform. And that's what you see is happening for every other user out there. So for those who are from Hindi background, probably मैं बीच बीच में थोड़ा हिंदी बोल दूंगा कि स्मॉल एडवाइजर की ये प्रॉब्लम है कि उनको लार्ज क्वालिटी, अच्छा क्वालिटी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता है जो उनका कस्टमर कॉस्ट नीचे ला सके और उनका ऑपरेशन कॉस्ट कम कर सके, जो कि लार्ज एंटरप्राइजेस कर रहे हैं। उसी तरह से वो सस्टेन कर पा रहे हैं या ग्रो कर पा रहे हैं, और इनफैक्ट उन्हें बहुत एग्जाम्पलरी ग्रोथ हुई है। अगर आप म्यूचुअल इंडस्ट्री की ग्रोथ देखेंगे तो एकदम, इनफैक्ट 2017 में मैंने खुद आर्टिकल लिखा था इस पर, जो कि बिजनेस वर्ल्ड में छपा था, जो इसमें ये लिखा था कि म्यूचुअल फंड प्लेटफॉर्म की, जो म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री की जो ग्रोथ है, विल बी वेरी ह्यूज इन कमिंग ईयर, एंड I have given a growth rate of 20% per annum, and it is growing like that only. Whereas everything is not going. And आज ये जो AUM है 100 lakh crore will cross in just few years time. So जब ये इतना growth हो रहा है, then why are the small advisors not getting out of it? Because of the lack of access to quality digital platform. जो भी इनका टूल्स हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि उनका टूल्स नहीं है, लेकिन वो बैक ऑफिस टूल्स हैं, बैक ऑफिस सॉफ्टवेयर हैं, दे आर नॉट लाइक अ डिजिटल आइडेंटिटी नहीं क्रिएट करते, आपका एक डिजिटल पर्सोना नहीं क्रिएट करते आपके कस्टमर के पास। और जब आज का नया कस्टमर, जो हर नया कस्टमर आ रहा है, एक स्मार्टफोन मोबाइल लेके आ रहा है और ये सब लेके आ रहा है, तो आपका एक डिजिटल आइडेंटिटी होना जरूरी है उस कस्टमर के लिए, आपका प्रेजेंस को फील करने के लिए। प्लस द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज जो अवेलेबल हैं, जो आपको शेयर करनी है, वो इतनी यूज है कि वो आप एक, जब तक ये एक ऐसा क्वालिटी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म जो सारी सर्विसेज को एब्जॉर्ब करके प्रेजेंट नहीं करे, आप उसको एक यूनिफाइड इंटरफेस नहीं दे पाएंगे। तो विदाउट एक्सेस टू क्वालिटी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म, एज एन एडवाइजर, as any person who you're losing out on massive cross selling opportunities. तो ये एक बड़ा लॉस हो रहा है। तो आप एक पूरा बिजनेस, पूरा फाइनेंशियल इंडस्ट्री का ग्रोथ अच्छा हो रहा है, बट योर ग्रोथ इज नॉट हैपनिंग as an individual, as an individual advisors, your growth is not happening. In fact, you're losing growth, you're losing customers, you're losing, and you're not able to bring costs. So you need a digital identity of that. So that's why I thought, okay, there is a requirement, there is a thing to be made, but it has to be made in a very unique way, because there is another problem also with financial advice. So we came out with a solution. So I'll show you the solution. So for this solution, we co-founded this firm called Fund Expert FinTech. So what is the purpose of Fund Expert FinTech? Helping small advisors to serve their clients better and grow through an automated digital platform. So we, as in Fund Expert FinTech, small wealth advisors, we work with wealth advisors, mutual fund distributors, serve their clients better and grow through the digital automatic platform. Because here is the solution. We give you a solution which automates your entire, all the different aspects of your business. It first of all, most important, it gives you your own online digital identity. You have now, your users have a real-time access to you, and you also have real-time access to them through a digital identity. So you are immediately able to reach and service a much larger number of people, and much larger across geography. There's no limitation now, and especially much more relevant because of, situations where the physical things are anyway getting ruled out in over a place. People will prefer saying that, do you have a digital way which I can use it? So automated digital multi-asset wealth management platform is what every advisor should own or have it. It should be a digital identity of every advisor. You have to start with that only. That's like basic requirement, unlike earlier. Second, it should automate your entire working. It should automate, manage, report, monitor. All the things should happen in an automated way, so that you are left with time and energy to serve more and more clients and give your personal insights and inputs which they desire. That's how you will beat any large guys out there, whether it be banks or this is robo advisory. You can beat them all as a individual advisor. Second, you need to have complete scale and complete range of financial products. This is the third learning. Unless you have this complete range of all the products and services which a customer needs inside your platform, you will be losing customer to other platforms. If you don't offer them, you don't scale up, they will go to other platform and they will lose out from you. So you need to have everything inside your platform. You have to make your customer get used to your own platform, to go to your own thing, so that tomorrow he needs virtually anything, you have it, and you will be able to handle it. Now, building this kind of solution is what large enterprises look to do. How do you do for a small advisor who does not have so much money in place to pay for these kind of services? Because you understand, because the cost of building and managing this is huge. So we came out with a very unique solution for that also. The solution which we are giving was also very unique, which is what we have been used by other advisors to scale up, and the solution, the cost of that also is being managed in a very unique way. So we realized that instead of like everyone who's trying to say that, okay, this is my solution and this is my cost and this is what I do for every large enterprise also, this is the solution, this is the cost, and they pay. We said this solution will come at zero cost for small advisors. Now, how do you make the solution come at zero cost? So zero cost is the platform. We are saying that this solution will come to at zero cost. So we are the first and only company to say this loud and clear and saying zero cost. Now, if there's no cost and you own this platform, you can scale your advisory, you can lead to satisfied users' business growth, you can do whatever you want. You have the entire technologies team sitting at your back end to take care of all your needs. And you can now grow your business, increase your AUM, do additional cross-selling, upselling, generate all additional revenue, get very large business growth like any other enterprise out there, and have a much bigger target for your future. So the solution here does in a very unique way. So what we call is your touch and our tech. So our tech is powering your touch, and all this is happening at zero cost. Now, how does it happen at zero cost? You most probably will be wondering, zero cost, how possible? So I will tell you how it becomes a zero cost. So I'll come to you in the due course. How it becomes a zero cost. Zero cost, it becomes in a very simple and straightforward way. Now you understand. Now I'll come to that also. That how these advisors, and I'll now share you stories how the advisors have used this. It is not that the solution I am launching today. The solution was launched more than a year back. BSE Star itself launched it. It sent out invitation to everyone to attend webinars. We had regular webinars last year in August, September, October. Webinars, videos are all recorded and uploaded on YouTube. You can go and check them. So we launched it to BSE Star. We sent it mailers to everyone to come and explain it. Now we are completing almost 1 year from, not yet 1 year, less than 1 year, but of launching of this platform for so many users. And this is what we did unique. We did unique with this. So we came the power of BSE Star. That's the credibility. Okay. Mr. SK is not able to connect audio, I guess. But I guess other participants, you're able to hear me, right? If anybody has any issues, just write in the chat, or you can write in the chat that you are able to hear, just for everybody's benefit, so that Mr. SK can see other participant that he can see that you are able to hear. So okay, so I think yes. Thank you, Hari. Thank you, Hiren. Thank you very much. This is just updating that no. If you just write yes, he will not understand. Please just say I'm able to hear. Okay, so he will figure out. Okay, so yeah. Okay, Mazban. So now I'll come back to this. So here is the story. How does it become a zero cost platform for advisors? Because because of what regulations bringing your cost down, you have to manage this. So this is how it works. We said that you pay, the software itself pays for it. How can the software itself? Because see, in reality, it's not a zero cost. You also understand running any software, managing a software team, managing background, managing data security, managing the servers, managing maintenance, managing development, bringing new features, everything costs money, right? Nothing comes free. Not even one staff of mine is willing to work for free. Everybody needs salary and everybody needs their hikes also, whatever. And it's a very much valid rate, right? So then how do you build a zero cost platform when there is so much actual cost running to manage the platform? So here is what the platform itself pays for that. So you don't have to directly pay for the cost. So it becomes zero cost for you. You come on the platform, you start, and your all earnings and everything, whatever you are having, nothing changes. You continue to earn. The platform itself brings additional products and services, which in fact, the platform pays to you, and then you pay for the software. So that you are paying not from software, from the earning from the platform itself. So you're not exactly paying from your pocket. You are earning from the software itself to pay for the software. So software itself pays for you. Software itself makes you grow. Software itself gives you more services. Software itself will pay for whatever it needs to be paid and gives you much more than just it pay. So it becomes a zero cost. So you pay us and we pay you back. So we are the only software company which pays you back and pays you much more than what you get. So it's not zero cost. Actually, it's much more. We say zero cost, just for sake of saying that, so that we don't promise you moon, but for people it is not zero cost. It is a software is earning for them. So you want a software which earns from them, which earns for you, then you have found the right platform. This is the Fund Expert, is that platform. Software which not only zero cost. So zero cost was an old slogan, because if I told 1 year back that this software will earn for you, people will laugh at me. They'll think, software will earn for me. Then you have made a money tree or what. So I had to prove that. Now today I have proofs of people who are making money from the software much more than what they are paying for software. So they are making, so that's why software is a zero cost. I hope that point is clear. If not, now I'll show you stories. I'll tell you exactly what happened, what people have told, and what they have told about us. It is almost a 1 year. We'll be, from the launch we had somewhere in August last year with BSE Star. Now we are not even reached August, but I am just telling you what all we achieved and what all we are bound to achieve in future. So if you are there to understand and see, and whatever we have done, we have been very transparent. You want to see my August webinars, please go and check. Everything is available on YouTube. So I will share the link. We have been very clear and transparent. Nothing gets unrecorded. Whatever I speak is available in the open space. There's nothing called hidden. And you can verify from any one of the BSE Star members. If you are no, and I'm actually BSE Star MF is not some small name, right? So they will not. So there is a reason why they do that. So over 1,000. So what happened in last from August till this? 1,000 IFAs have chosen Fund Expert platform. Okay, so it's not a small number. They're all using it. And they have made Fund Expert the most appreciated MFD platform in India. Our Google rate is 4.6 plus 5. And you should go and read those reviews. And I will show you some of that, what people write about. Okay, so it's not that, okay, now it is something zero cost. So the platform is the most advanced mutual fund platform you can get, software platform you can get, or not just MFD platform. MFD is for you, but it's a complete wealth management platform for you to do, and it is the most appreciated. Our nearest any back office software. Okay, there is a very strong light coming from back of mine. Do people want me to hide this? Okay, so give me a second. Oh, and then let me just switch off. Hope now that is better. Somebody suggested, so I should change the. I hope that makes it much more better for you. Okay. So, or maybe a little more. So, yeah, is it better now, Rajiv? Thank you for pointing it. Yeah, well, okay. So now I'll tell you how. Just checking 1 second. So now let me tell you about what people have done. Okay. So now I'll tell you. 1 second, just checking. Yeah. So here is what how it happened. They have made it, and why it has happened. There's a reason for it to happen. It didn't happen overnight. It didn't happen in a day. It has taken a long. We had, like I said, 2-3 years back we planned. 1 year back launched. It has taken a huge time and energy to build this something most worthwhile kind of a thing, because good things don't happen in a second. So they need to be built and they need to be done, and that's what happened. Okay, so here is why it has become a most appreciated. So let me now tell you the stories why this is there. So let me tell you the story of people who grew up, who scaled up, and became and have gone somewhere in the last year. In the last year, which has been so strongly, what do you say? Negative for entire world as such, and in India in particular, because we have been suffering again and again from first wave, second wave. So it keeps on denting our work, our income. So it is obviously devastating, and especially for smaller and medium guys, because they suffer more from others. But these guys, these MFDs, I'm saying, these are individual unsung advisors who have come out and done much better for them. Okay, and through what? Through using our platform. They've been using our platform, no doubt in that. That's how I know them. That's why I can tell you about them. Okay, and this is what they have done. So let me introduce one by one. So our first gentleman I'm introducing here is on the left side, Mr. Dinesh Singh Kushwaha from Kanpur. Okay, so Mr. Dinesh from Kanpur is an MFD. Okay, these are all MFDs. I'm telling you this. So again, he came and last year when he took the software, and he was a new IFA. He didn't have a small AUM to begin with, and this is what has happened in 6 months' time after he has joined. So he has himself returned, gone out there, and we have not told him to go and write. So I'll just tell you what is. So here is what he writes. I'm sure you can see my screen. First of all, thanks for the app to quadruple my AUM in 6 months' time. So I hope this makes interest to people who want to quadruple AUM in 6 months' time. Without the app and back office software, it was not possible for a new MFD like you who likes to work independently. Second, the support was awesome. From the RM and the team is awesome. Whenever I approached them for issue, it was sorted out. And whenever I requested issues for new features, they were introduced on my request, giving permanent solution. I hope this is what anybody should expect out of that. Achha, where I'm reading this from? This is mutual. This is available on net. You can see the URL. You can also go and search Fund Expert app reviews, and you can go and read this. This is the first Fund Expert investment and management. You can see our rating. You can see it's 4.6 star, 270, and these are all IFAs who have rated us. Okay, so I'm just reading out from whatever he has gone, and 13 June 2021. So it's not I'm reading something which happened. So this is what happened in 6 months' time. Somewhere December end or January, somewhere he took the, and this is what has happened for him in 6 months' time for him, his case. Okay, so this is the first example of someone who found this. Now I'll give you another example. Okay, so let me. So okay, now this was in March. Okay, see, Murthy Investment. Now he's from Gujarat. Okay, Mr. Rakesh. He's from Gujarat. So, and here is his family, his photo, which I have taken. See. Okay. So here's his family, very nice family, and Mr. Rakesh is here. So looking very traditional advisors. Now look, they are using it for, they written in March. Okay. Now there is almost, we have already crossed 5-6 months. They have now got their own app. You have a Murthy Investment app on App Store, all driven by the Fund Expert software. Okay, it's their own app, and I will show you the app. It has their own logo. It's very user friendly, and this is what he writes. It's really very user friendly compared to other service providers. Overall experience good. Software is very nice. Have multiple products like mutual fund, stock, insurance, and fixed income. Everything under the roof. All are working properly, and they take our feedback seriously, and if necessary, fix it. Thanks to their support team, they mention our team members also. So you can see, and we are not faking it. You can see the ARN number. You can all know. You can all search for that ARN and know actually who is the guy. And this is his logo, and this is app logo also. So Murthy Investment is on App Store, and all driven by us. So he's got own digital identity, working very well, and he's now getting much more growth and customers because now he has a digital identity. He has made a difference even in a traditional area like Gujarat. Having your own digital identity makes you stand out, and with so many products and services inside it, he is able to handle and grow like any other thing. So this is what he writes. He wrote in March. Okay, so I'm just reading out. You can search, and this is the guy. Okay, you know this is his story. So let me just third story of Mr. Shibanand. He is from a remote area in Odisha. You can see the background and all that. He's from. So I'm just giving you 3 stories from 3 parts of India: North, South, East, West. You can take. I have so many more stories. There are 270 stories on reviews itself. You can go and read. I'm just telling you some. So Mr. Shivanand. So now what happened with Mr. Shivanand? Obviously, in a small area, rural areas, there are limitations to number of products he can. Means only mutual fund if he tries to sell, there is a limitation. But then through the app, through a thing, he's now able to do so many things. Not just mutual fund, but stocks also. He can open Demat through the app, through the platform. So now what happens? He starts working on the Demat, and look at what has happened to his earnings. I'll just show you his earnings, how they have grown. So let me just go back and share you. So when he started somewhere in March, he started in March end. He opened one demat account. There were small brokerages. There was a small payout and very small. Okay. But look what happened. This is your March payout. This is his April payout. His April payout has now jumped. You can see the April payout itself was, you can see amount was 5,000 plus. This is his payout. And these are all fund expert snapshot from the reports in backend, which I've taken. Okay. These are actual NEFTs. We have very clear month by month, code by code, detailed details for each and every product. And this is the third product. See, in April, he made 5,000 plus. In May, it is close to 10,000 rupees he has made in brokerage. So 10,000 rupees is brokerage is much higher. His payout itself is 10,000 rupees a month. Now you see, you have almost come to a point where this is a sustainable increase in additional income, and brokerage income happens to be so passive income. Now that is also getting added to his mutual fund income, which has already happened. So obviously the software he's able to enjoy and do much more than what you would otherwise do. So this is what is the power of software. And this is not true. This is just not only true for him. There are other products and services. So there are people who did insurance. So the example, you do insurance in 1 month to one policy, payout was 1275. This is another advisor. Next, see, in 3 months, he added more policies through the platform. His payout became 10,000 rupees. So you see, you as an advisor are going to make much more money from the platform than you are going to pay for the platform. So obviously, it is not just zero cost. It is much more effective. And these are actual details of actually. Okay. Yeah, whatever you are interested in, these are, I'm just telling stories. See, how do you scale and how do you grow? That what I'm telling. If you are not interested, you're fine. But I'm saying this is learning which you know that is a value. You can't deny the learning or you can't deny the value of this information. Okay. That I can challenge you very clearly on that. There is no denying the value. It may not be relevant for you, but you may go to main features. Yes, I'll go. I just was going to tell you the story. And this is what people have written. This is the best app ever. See, I'm just telling you, I'll go back. I'm going to the features now. I'll go to the main thing also. Don't worry. I know if you're not come for this, you want to know about the platform. I'm going to go and tell you the platform. I'm just going to tell you what is the background. Now, next time, rest of the time, I'm going to do, because you should be aware that why it made a difference, how it made a difference. So you can see what people have been writing. One app with multiple features, very easy to upload. Great app, great features, exceeding expectation. I'm just reading out what all people have written, what all these IFAs have written, and what they're writing. Amazing, interesting, wonderful, beautiful. All that they are writing, and then you see they have themselves written that, people have written like. So let me show you features. Okay, okay, right. You wanted to see what people have written. Great found job. This job is very helpful. Too much effort taken in financial advisor. I have never seen this kind of support in my 10 years here. So now I'll come back to the main point. You wanted to know how you can benefit from the features. I'll come to that. So let me just show. I'll skip all this. And now we'll see the list of all the features you get from the platform. Now I'll just show you platform only. Don't worry. So you wanted to see the list of the platform features you get, how these guys made? Yes, you can. Okay. You just have to go to Fund Expert FinTech. Okay. So let me just go to the website. So here is the Fund Expert FinTech platform. And you can go and see all the features. I was just trying to show you what people had, how they made money, because you need to know their story. And here is what is all of the features. Just click on product and you have all the features. Web and app platform, an Android iOS platform, get your own custom link on App Store, get your own standard template website. You can choose even more customized experience if you are looking for. Okay, with a complete paperless onboarding, online mandates, video KYC inbuilt in the platform, automatic data sync with RTA to ensure all your business runs with a minimal efforts, and allows you to invest in multiple assets like stock, insurance, NPS, capital gain, gold, all in the single platform. This is what all you can do. So here is what our suite of management will help you to get more clients, financial reports, external portfolio, goal-centric planning, thematic baskets, admin panels, CRM capabilities, app notifications to users, host your website, send configure mails. You have an RM assigned for email support. You can raise anything to our email ticketing system, and your WhatsApp channel for regular updates. And new features are added every month, no, every week. And there are support and webinars and videos for each and every topic and everything which is available. So anything you need, everything. Now you will say, what is the cost of the software? So here's the cost. 4,990 is the cost of the software which you're paying. But don't worry, wait till end. I'll show you the features. Then there is a special thing which I'll tell you on top of this also. 4,990 per annum is the cost for the standard freedom pack. But there is a special feature. Just stay in the end. You don't have to even pay 4,990 also if you wait. So just wait. Okay. So now see, we have a lot of features, and if you need your own app, the extra cost is 10,000 per annum. You can get your own branded app. So the standard price of 4,990 plus 10,000 rupees extra for your own branded Android app inside it if you need. Otherwise, you in 4,990 you get your own Fund Expert app. Now, what is the advantage of these apps? So I'll come to the pricing and all the details. But now listen, there is like just show you these are some of the very special features. So let me read out those special features which you don't get anywhere else, and probably that's what you want to know. See, I'll give you some special list of features. Okay, this is how your app will look. First, when you open a One Expert app, it can look like this with your logo color, and these look and feel can change. Okay, so I'll show you how it looks, a real app. So let me just take you to the website or background and show you features. Okay. And you have any questions, you can stay in the end. Suppose I didn't cover anything, any point of your interest, I'll tell you. You don't have to, how you can just wait. So if you open anything, just close some extra application. Okay, so let me just lots of things which are open at the same time. So I'm just taking a Fund Expert. You have a platform, you have a website. It has all kind of animations. You get a website like this. So example, you can get it configured. You can get it. All this will change. So I'm just, if I log in, this is your web login. You can go there. You can search for any client which you have. Suppose you have multiple client with some name. I'm just writing test. And if you have multiple clients, you can go to the client, or you can just go to that client. If you this is your own login, you have all these options. You can go to any particular client. If you click on the client, then you log into the client account, and you are able to now see your page will change. Now you are into another account, and you can see here her dashboard, her table view, her returns, her portfolio, and you can get all kind of reports, all kind of details. You can see all the reports. You can see family accounts. You can compare funds. You can get fund data. If you want to search for any fund. So all these features are available. You can just say there. You want to see a fund fact sheet. You click here, the fund fact sheet will open. Okay, so it gives you the fact sheet of the fund. Okay. So you have the fact sheet coming here. Then you can get all the scheme details. You want scheme details, you want all details, all everything information available. You want to purchase one time setup. You can do virtually all kind of. You want to set a mandate. You can set up everything. It's all linked and working fine. Now this is a web which I'm just showing you a display. Obviously there is a detailed training and session demo we do, because this entire platform to explain end from the front to the back is a 4-hour exercise. So we have a separate training sessions we conduct for that, and that is happening in the next week. Okay. So you, for what you need to do, I'll just, so don't worry about it. Just have a look. So these are all platform. Now suppose same thing I want to do through an app. So I can do through an app also. So how do I show you through an app? So let me just show you the app. Okay. So I'll connect to a mobile, and I'll connect on my mobile the same app. Okay, so I'm now connecting my mobile to an app. Okay, so I'll just write. So you can see my phone, and now I'm just showing the same features. Okay, so you can see. So you can go to Google, and you can go to Play Store, and you can search. For example, now I'm just a second. I'm just reconnecting. Yeah, so I'm just you can go and search for Fund Expert. Reconnect. Once again, I'm just reconnecting the phone. Okay, so I'll just download. I've just downloaded the Fund Expert app. I'm just opening that. Okay. So the app is open. Okay, so now I'm into a demo app account. You can see example. This is just a screen, but it can be changed the way you want. You can log in inside, you can log with some credential. Here I have logged in inside app. So here I am in the app. I can see all details. I can invest. I can search for various. There are various options inside the app. There are various numbers. This is just demo account, and here I can search for a client. I can search for the same client. So you can see here I've searched. If I log in the same client, you can see the client. So this is an app which you can use as an advisor. Now this is a client app. What I'm showing you. Same app when I was logged in as a distributor, it becomes distributor app. So you have a distributor app, client app. So you can see that. So you can see the what here having. So you can go to dashboard, and the dashboard will contain all these features. And you can see it's a multi-asset platform. You can click and this. Okay, so you can see all the details. You can see the balance. You can do all that. You can do transactions. You can see all the details. You can see all kind of details. What you want is available here. You can see everything is available in the platform. So what you're seeing is all about the platform and the different features inside the platform. All the reports, family, mandates, portfolio, insurance, loans, everything is available inside the platform. It's a multi-asset platform which you can use. So let me just go log in back as myself. So now I log in. Let me log out here. So you can see, and this app is completely configurable. Let me show you how I can configure the same app. So, so you can see this is the screen. Now I'll just show you how you can configure the same app and use it for your own usage. I'm just going to the admin for this. I'll just share the screen back in a second. I'll show you. You can manually configure every element is a configurable element. It's so advanced app that virtually you can configure anything as per your need. Okay, so now I'll just go to my app. So I'll just share the screen back. So now I am logged in. So you can see now this is a business panel I've logged in. I can see all the user details, everything here. If I go to MIS, I get a report. So I get there are various reports starting from AM reports, ZIP reports, all kind of stuff, business opportunity reports and all kind of stuff. So let me just go and check, send you my app details. Okay. So if I go to app details and I can edit my app details. So suppose I want to change my tagline. So what was my tagline? Just I'll show you on any day. My tagline was invest today for better tomorrow. and welcome. Okay, this is your subtitle. Suppose I want to change that and say happy investing. Okay, you can choose anything or you can write anything. Happy investment, happy investing to everyone. Okay, and I just save it. So I saved it, and now I'll just go, and now you see the app is this. Now I'll just close the app, open the app again. Happy investing to everyone. You see line is changed. Now I'll give you another example how it's configurable. So let me go back to the again. I want to edit the color theme also. I go to edit app. Okay, so edit app, and I want to change the color. Okay, let me make it something. Okay, I make it dark. Okay. So make anything, whatever you can just and saved it. Okay, now I've saved it. Now let's go back to that. So I've gone to that. So again, now again reopen that. Your app is changed. You can change your logo, you can change your taglines, heading, this, that, virtually, and even the theme inside. You didn't like the dark theme? Don't worry. Edit your app, change it to white theme. You didn't like the landing page? You can change that. So virtually anything and everything is all inside. You can just configure it. You want to change your name, address, anything kind of thing you want to do, all is configurable from inside that. So your app detail basically has everything and whatever you need to configure, enable, or to do anything, including your insurance ID, your this, that, whatever, everything. So your app virtually gets controlled from here, from one. It's like a remote control. You control from here and you can control that. Okay. Now coming to the presentation. So I showed you the features, the aspect, how I could control the app, virtually anything. So basically, you see, people can control their app to look the way you want. You can make this happen. You can have it in different ways. So this gives your own digital identity, and you can create all this. So you can create the software, the profile, all these thematic baskets. There are options. You can make, suggestions of your own choice. You can sync portfolios. You can create smart assistants. You can search for funds ratings. You can do insurance inside the policy. You can buy health, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, all insurance are available options. You can you can see the app details or the profile detail. You can generate statement of account from inside the platform. So you just click on this. If you click on the statement of account, for example, this is if you look, we have clicked, and this is the statement. If you click Axis long term 91093112844, this statement has been clicked. Okay, so once you click the statement, then automatically the statement downloads. Okay, from KFintech into your and you have the statement account from within the software. So your customer can generate SOA on his own without waiting for you from your own platform. You can generate and send it to him if you want. You can do whichever way you want. Okay. So you can generate SOA from the platform. So these are the things which you can do. Okay. These are the 7 top things which you will finish. Only software auto generate cash. You can generate the entire 360-degree cash from the platform. So you don't have to go to CAMScarvy. You can generate from here. Only click. It will generate a cache and send to your platform, which you can upload. If you upload an cache, which is a 360-degree, okay, then yes, Marzwan, I'll come back to the questions. It will work with all mutual fund backend providers, whether it's a ICX or a MFU or anything, it will work because that is independent layer we have kept. So you can work with that. Okay, we are the only software to display, track, switch, or download pre-filled change ARN form. Why will you download a pre-filled change of ARN forms? Because of the client, because when you generate this cache, and this is not this is a consolidated account of statement, it will have 360-degree view of every holding what he has across all platforms. Once you upload that in cache here, you can actually transfer or switch into different funds, because there must be non-performing fund or something like that. And the moment you switch, it will change basically ARN. Even if you don't want to switch, you download a pre-filled change of ARN form, which is built inside the system, and you can take his signature and get him to change to your ARN and increase your AUM which you are managing. Okay, so we are the only software which allows you to download from within the platform, from SOA. Okay, CAMS, Fintech, you can download it. Only software which allows you to redeem direct plans. You can redeem direct plans from the platform of your customer. Okay, no other software allows you to redeem direct plans. We are the only one to do that. We are the only one to allow insurance policies from multiple companies in a single platform. See, even if you have code from one company, you may always want to know what is the offer from other companies, or better, or the customer sometimes is aware and he wants from other company. We will give you access to multiple companies, not just one company, because of the backend tie-up with brokerages of the insurance brokerages. So you can have multiple, and all in new types of policies also, which otherwise you are not doing, like householder policy, fire insurance policy, shop insurance policy. There are multiple insurance which are sold across the world. You can virtually sell everything. The only software allows you to custom edit your cap color, which you already seen, your app, color, theme, message. You don't have to pay, okay, to do all. And we are the only platform, the last point, where you can directly, where you will be assigned a fund, a WhatsApp group, where I'll be present, the RM will be present, and we will work with you to make sure you are successful. So we are the only software. You will never find any software where the co-founder is available on one message next to you. Okay, this is the only software where your RM is present, I am present in the same group, a special group made for you to ensure that your RM is taking full care of you. And if there is anything you need to do, I'll be there to guide you or to help you better, because we are interested in making you a super successful advisor like all other advisors whom we have. So advisors who are associated with FundExpert program, they have to be super successful. Otherwise, the purpose of FundExpert platform is not going to be served, right? So let me show how you sign up, and sign up is very simple. So if you go to fundexpert.fintech.com, on the top itself, there's a sign up. Now here is the thing which I'm going to give you now. All of you can just go and sign up right now on FundExpert. There's no charge for sign up. Okay, just sign up. You sign up, you will get free configuration. You will configure the software free and give you free access. Now this is a crazy offer, I know, because I'm saying that you don't have to pay anything. You can continue to use the software for next 3 months without paying for it. Okay, and use it till you are satisfied. We'll take you through a demo and through everything, but even if you want, we'll give you. Just sign up in the next half an hour. Sign up immediately. So now let's say it's 11:55, or why half an hour? Next 5 minutes. Those sign up in the next 5 minutes. So how do you sign up? You can just go and sign. Okay, so I'll tell you how to sign up. Then I'll take your questions. So, okay, I'm here for next 10 minutes. I have 15 minutes. I'll be there. Don't worry. So I'll just tell you where to go to fundexpertfintech.com and just sign up from here. Okay, just click sign up, enter your details, and you're signed up. There's no payment, nothing. RM will call you, set it up, give you the entire access, use it from courtesy from us, don't, with no obligation, and be satisfied, and don't be, so that you believe. We are the only one which will say that you try, if you see it and then you believe. If you don't have, we will give you a demo, we'll give you everything. I'm saying I'm giving you live product usage itself, but you must sign up right now, because otherwise I can't keep this open forever. So as long as this webinar is there, please make sure you go and sign up in that sign up box here. So once you sign up, we know that your ARN, everything is recorded, and once it is recorded, you will, then only I'll give you this special. You have this special 3 months, use it at no cost from us, and then you can choose to continue pay us, because we would have paid you back if you have used all the product service. We would have paid you much than you would have paid. You would need to pay anywhere. Okay, after 3 months you can take it. Okay, so they will out. So just go and do that, and that's all. You just don't, and use 3 months total commitment. Do it whatever you want. Experience yourself. Experience the digital transformation which everybody is experiencing. We want you to experience that ourselves. Okay, just go and sign up, and then no obligation. Next 3 months, use the full software completely. We will give you all access to all. Great, Hiren. I know you did it. Great, because the alert would have, and now you will be rest well. And we have a training coming up next week. 3 days. You attend free of cost, everything free of cost. You attend that to understand how to use it even much more powerful. How other people are quadrupling that AUM in 6 months, 3 months time. You need to know, and you use the software. And we have done this. So don't worry about us. And now I'll answer each and every question, whatever you have, relating to anything you have, data security, to anything, to everything. Because if you are working with 1,000+ IFAs, and I'm saying this on a public platform in a recorded seminar, which will be available on YouTube publicly forever, that one I'm making this commitment. So there has to be some need to be for that. Okay, so in next 5 minutes, sign up, come on board, and we will not ask you anything. Okay. Yes, you, even if you are using any other software. Okay, now I'll answer. You are using any other software, you can sign up. You can continue to use both the software together. Your settings will not get restricted of any other software. There are people using any other software, and you can continue to use the software. Okay. Before I continue, I'll just show you. I'll take you where, in YouTube. I'll just take you to Fund Expert Support. If you search for Fund Expert Support, okay. So I'm just taking. I'll just show you what one people. I hope. Yes. I'll reply all questions. Don't worry. There's no question. I have not yet started the question answer. I'm just finishing in 5 minutes my presentation. This is the last one. Just check what people have told in our webinars. Okay.
सर आपके द्वारा जो ऐप बनाया गया है जबरदस्त है। हाँ हेलो संजय गांधी बोल रहे हैं सर। सर आपके द्वारा जो फ्री में ऐप बनाया है ना, यार जबरदस्त है।
थैंक यू सो मच संजय जी। आप
छोटे IFA के लिए, जैसे मेरे पास पहले ओफा था, लेकिन अब 30 लाख के AUM में 12,000 रुपए महंगा पड़ रहा था।
सही बात है।
तो फिर अब जैसे जैसे ये डेवलप हो जाएगा, फिर आपका ही पेड वर्जन ले लेंगे।
हाँ एकदम बिल्कुल। और कभी भी आपको कहीं से भी कम ही रेट में मिलेगा, उसकी गारंटी
नहीं। उससे अब वर्जन ही है। मैंने काफी ऐप सर्च किए हैं।
हाँ।
जैसे डेटाकॉम का भी, और इंदौर का एक 55,000 रुपए प्रीमियम पेड लेता है वो।
अच्छा।
क्लियरली उसका सबसे बढ़िया बताते हैं सब। तो सारे देखे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं देखा।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सिंपल भाषा में बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझाया गया है, बहुत इजी है चलाना।
हाँ एकदम, हमारा वही पर्पस है। और आई एम सो हैप्पी टू, आप इतना अच्छा से हमने हमारी तारीफ की, उसके लिए हमारी बहुत शुक्रिया और बहुत थैंक यू।
थैंक यू बॉस।
ओके थैंक यू।
बड़ा ही कारगर तरीका है हमें सर्विस का, बहुत यूनिक और बहुत ही कारगर। ओके
थैंक यू रुपेश जी, आपने हमारी जैसे बोलते हौसला हमारा मतलब हौसला बढ़ाया, उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच।
एक्चुअली मैं काफी समय से मैंने ओपा भी इस्तेमाल किया था शुरुआती दौर में। उसके बाद मैंने IFA प्लेनेट इस्तेमाल किया, और कुछ समय के लिए मैं बड़े वाले जो है आपको वेल्थ मैजिक वगैरह ये सब में भी मतलब गया। लेकिन अभी काफी समय से मैं IFA प्लेनेट इस्तेमाल कर रहा था।
ठीक है।
हाँ, लेकिन आपके पास तो काफी समय से जुड़ा था, लेकिन आज ही मैंने सही बोलो तो सही मायने में आज ही मैंने डेमो लिया।
ओके कोई बात नहीं। तो आज आपका डेमो और सब क्लियर हो गया ना आपके डाउट?
हाँ आज ही मैंने दिन में रुचिता से वो सारा कुछ मैंने कॉल करके उनसे लिया था। उसके बाद इधर, क्योंकि एक्चुअली मुझे याद था कि आज मीटिंग भी है, तो मुझे कुछ जो डाउट होंगे वो आसानी होंगे पूछने के लिए। तो मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा। और आप जिस तरह से वो थर्ड पार्टी प्रोडक्ट जो ऐड कर रहे हो ना, मतलब ये बड़ा ही बढ़िया, मतलब कुछ चीजें ऐसे है जो आप बिल्कुल यूनिक तरीके से और कहीं ना कहीं मैंने हमारे नब्ज पे हाथ रख रहे हैं, मतलब वो छोटे IFA के लिए, मतलब वो जो है या रिमोट एरिया वाले IFA के लिए।
आपको आवाज आ रही है?
न्यू टू in this market, and he's really helping me a lot, and he told me to attend आज के next 3 sessions, though उन्होंने काफी कुछ मुझे ये सब बता दिया है पहले से, but still it was very helpful आज भी। It's really nice, so thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Simiji. So I just played from, these are the videos from our training session which happened last week, which people came forward and they shared whatever they felt. So one second, I'll just do this. So just wanted to show you that, these are the things which people are telling about who is using a software, and there is a reason why they're telling this. So these are our details in case you missed out something or you want to connect later or you want to answer anything, which now I'll answer all questions. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. Okay. Now I've done with my presentation. I've explained you what to do. I've shown you what people are telling. I told you everything. जो भी आपका इस session में what we are expecting कि this session will help you to understand how people have benefited, scaled up, become bigger. That has been fulfilled. I've explained you. I told you how to sign up, and I've given you a special offer also that you don't have to do it. Okay. So now I'll come to the questions. So let me take every question. Okay. So now I'll go into question to Deepa. So I think somebody said. So will you start selling to our clients? Like, are you a platform like RankMF, Fund Against India? They control our client and make salespeople. Or like their OFA, they are not sell people and their client is and pay them as technology partner. So we are not like Funds India, RankMF. We don't sell to your clients. Okay, we don't virtually take control of your clients. We only work with you. Okay, so we are like OFA where we don't do any selling, but there's a difference. OFA don't even help you to integrate any other platform. Okay, so as you have heard some people, we are much better than, we are a full scale partner with you. Okay, to help you to sell all your products through you. So you didn't hear, our slogan is your touch, our tech. So we are a tech partner only in that sense. We are building all this product and platform for you. So we work like you, but we are saying we work like a tech partner. Okay, where we work with you to bring new things inside you, make your, so clients are all in your control only. We never touch your client directly. So Deepa, that question is answered. Are you there? So that I can know that your question is answered. We are not, here in next question, are we sharing our data for cross-sell? We are not selling any data. We hate that. We have written that very clearly. We're not sharing or selling any data. All data is through you only. Okay. So nothing is sold. Nothing is given. No, nothing is shared with anyone. Why should we? That's a very important data. It is all kept very correctly. We never do that. Otherwise, 1,000 IFAs will not go and eat those kind of stuff. If we do all this, they will. We will be not 4.6, right? Yes, Viren, don't worry. We are working with partners. We can't break the trust. Trust is the cornerstone for any partnership. Okay, so we will never do that. So Deepa, if you are around, your question should be answered. For others, it is also answered. And then I will take another question. Okay, so thanks, Deepa. You got it. You're able to hear me. So anybody who's, so execution, for execution, okay. For management, like somebody had one more question, NSC or NJ or anything, you may be executing your transaction with anyone, with mutual fund, with MFU. So yeah, Arvind, I will again explain comparison with the RankMF fund. I'll explain that probably if you didn't get, but I think Deepa got it, but I'll repeat it. But first, let me answer the other question we started. So for execution, we have now integrated with BSE Star. MFU and NSE integration will be done in course for execution, but you can still continue to manage because your MFU, NSE, ICIs, they all give you again a platform anyway to press for execution. You don't have to press execution from here. You can press execution from there. In due course, it will be integrated with them also. Right now, it is integrated for execution. It is integrated with BSE at this point of time, but already work is on with MFU integration. Work is on with others also integration work is on. So there is a work going on because I said it is a continuous work for development for us. We'll keep adding new stuff and everything will come on board. But you can continue to use the app because your data will come, your data will come, your this thing will be, your portfolio will be seen. You can do virtually, you can generate your reports, transactions, capital gains, everything you can do, and with your own, and send it to customers and everything with your own logo, with your own stuff, you can do across that. So it's all available and it's all out there and you can do that. Saurabh, did I waste everyone time by showing the UI instead of features? I don't know. Maybe what is the feature and product which you want to learn? I already listed on all the features. Now, each and every feature I said there are 4.5 hours. Okay. So features and products, I listed down the entire list. Now I read the entire list. If they're on FundExpert FinTech platform, you just go there, every features and products and every list, every feature is available there. Totally, there is a 4.5 hour session to explain all the features. So obviously I have to summarize everything, right? So I summarized in a way which serves for everyone. But you want one-to-one, I am ready. Are you ready, Saurabh? Come on one-to-one. I'll do a special for you. Okay. So I take that. Okay. You want a special one-to-one, I'll do separately. Okay. Send me a WhatsApp on this number. Send a WhatsApp on this number. Okay. And I'll do separately for you what you didn't get. Maybe in this session for everyone, when I'm trying to summarize everything, it is not possible. But So those now who wanted demo and other things, you don't. Yeah, okay. So while registering, do you need to share? No. So you see, if you don't in the sign up on Fund Expert, did you find share BSc login? It's not there in the sign up in fundexpertfintech.com. But if why you need to share BSc login password? For doing execution. That any platform you do which has execution power, you have to put it, because without your login password, how will I place an order through your ARN? Right? So that's why for enable execution, you have to share inside the platform the BSc login password. Okay. Yeah, Siren, you have seen perform in February and talk, but it's wonderful chain upgraded. It will continue to. So you've seen that how upgraded and wonderful. It will continue to become even better. Just wait. Just it will. This is just it's on that journey already. Otherwise, you won't see those kind of returns. And so nice to see, Hiren, that you have been and you've seen it earlier. Now it's much better and much clearer. So I'll explain. Yes, aapka question I'll take and I'll understand. I'm just taking all the major questions because there were so many things. You can sign up for, even if you're using any of the software, you can use this. It is so now it's the software will be compatible with everything. Only thing is it will not execute right now NAC and MFU and NAC and MFU will not execute that, and then you can so right. Okay, so now I just wanted to check that anything any question which is left. If any question I didn't answer, I have only one question which Arvind ji said that please explain comparisons. I'll do that again. If there was any other question, yeah, obviously everything will get advanced and much better in due course. Okay. So Deepa, is your question clear? Why you need to share? Because you need to do and you can create alternate users. Okay, you can create alternate user ID also for BSc and you can share that alternate user ID also. Okay. EUIN is employee unique identification number. It's a number allotted when you have an ARN. When you get an ARN Benedict, you get an EUIN along with it. Okay, so that's what it is. So Arvind Arora ji, I'll explain your question. Only one question I have got left. NJ Wealth. So Benedict, is it compatible? Yes, it is compatible because in a sense, like, see, NJ Wealth, if you are doing transaction with NJ Wealth and you want to show here, you will have to, there is a cash upload which you will have to do of the client, because NJ Wealth feed will not come here automatically because you don't have any rights to the feed of NJ Wealth. Okay, so if you are a sub-broker of NJ Wealth or Benedict, if you didn't get EUIN, you just send a WhatsApp this number. I'll ask someone from the team to call you and explain. Employee unique identification number is a number you get when you apply for NSC, when you apply for AMFI code, you get that ARN code, you get EUN in that. Check that mail which you get or letter, you get it. Okay. You can register and see the features. Yes, Deepa, you can register and see the features. Go to fundexpertfintech.com. Now here it's not asking you for BSc credentials. You sign up and you can register and see features without sharing BSc credentials. You don't have to share initially. Okay. So Deepa, that point is clear. Yeah, you can share. You can say I don't have it, or you can just, it is not required. You can share and see all the features. But your transactions will obviously not happen. If you try to create anything, it will fail. It will say, no, the ID is invalid or something like that. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. So don't do that. So as long as, because then tomorrow you should not say, see, software is not working. Because obviously you have not put a credential, so obviously it will not work. For transactions, rest all, yes, you can work. You can add our business to view a sub-broker. Yeah, even if you are sub-broker of, say, Prudent Karvi, you can add a business here. What will happen is your data feed will not come because those data feed goes to Prudent and Karvi AO. Okay, Karvi, you are not sub-broker. Karvi generally, unless you, Karvi is a stock insurance, Karvi stock company. If you are a sub-broker of Karvi stock, yes, they will get the feed. You will not get a feed, but you will get cash. Client will get cash, CAS. Generate the cash, upload the cash, consolidate account statement, and you can view all the holdings for the consolidated view. Yes, Hiren, he can see the consolidated view from the cash from your broker, sub-broker of Prudent and Karvi, whatever customer has. Okay, so you can add and do that. Okay, so now you have, so those who are signed up, you can see it much better. Acha, Arvind Arora ji, I'll take your question now because I don't see anyone asking any other question. So I'll take your question. You said, what is the difference between why it's not like Rank MF or MF India? Because we are not making you a sub-broker. We are making you a partner. They don't make, they say partner, they actually are not being partner because they control your client after that. We make you a Rank MF Funds India. Acha, so we don't make you like Rank MF Funds India where they make you sub-broker and they have the control of the client. We make you like a partner. Your ARN only is the code through which your mutual funds are done, all your mutual fund commissions only go to you. We don't get anything. So you already have access to all your customers, everything. We work through you to reach to your customer through you. We give you product and services so that you can give to your customer, so you can give to your client. Okay. And you can do all that. So that's a great power. You can do that. And the cost is the lowest cost. See, even if you look at the cost point of 4,990 is the lowest cost. But I'm saying we are going to pay you much more. And 3 months, I said, you don't have to pay anything. Use it free of cost. Just to experience even that. And then you want to see demo and everything. Yes, please do that. Hiren, just sign up. You will anyway be contacted and do the setup and demo everything. Don't worry. Just sign up on the site and somebody will contact you after this. How do you recover your amount? You saw people were recovering all the amount back. The guy recovered in brokerage. So here you have already done. So you will get a call. Don't worry. You will get a call automatic. So how do you, Benedict? Okay, let me just show you the pay. How do you get the payout? Because when you sell these products and services, these companies for whose products and services are sold, they will pay that amount to you through us. That amount comes to us because we need to collect and give you this MIS so that you get one complete MIS at one point. You don't have to worry about getting MIS on different places. You don't have to run out with the company. See, this guy got paid 1275 from the insurance company. And then he got next month, he got paid so much. 2,680, 1,300 for 3 policies. Put together 10,000 rupees. So you recover, you automatically recover amount. And I said 3 months, 3 months you try it out. First you recover, then you pay us. Okay? Is that happy? First you sold product, get 4,990 and then you pay us. So Benedict is not happy. I am first getting the money, then I pay. Okay, great. So now for that you have to sign up today because I don't give that offer outside. Because all my customers, they come, they pay and then they do. That's how it works for everyone else. You have come to the webinar, you spend time, energy, special offer only for now. Okay. Yes, you are insurance advisor, so you must have some codes, right? So your new business, whatever your business you do, you will get a code from us. We will give you a code for the insurance which you are sourcing through us. So we will give you a code and that code will be mapped through us, through you. So those business get attached to you. Okay, through us, we will give you a code. For the insurance which you are already doing directly with the insurance company through your own code, that anyway you continue to do. That has nothing to do with this. That is, these are all add-on insurance policies, companies which you are enabling you for. Because you can't be insurance advisor for life insurance on your own for 10 different companies. But through us, you can be. Because you can offer any product. If the customer does not want, suppose you are with Kotak and the customer says, I want Egon, then what you will do? Egon Life is not mapped to you. So you can do through us and give to them. You will not lose the customer. See, today, what is the most important thing? The customer. And service support is all routed through us. We have directly tie-up with all these insurance companies. They will service and support directly with you. Don't worry. We will make Egon directly speak to you. ICICI directly speak to you. Whoever you want. As an individual advisor, you may not have that much power. But through us, you understand the power we have. We command through for all of you to give you that benefit. It's immense. So you will see, you may have issues when you are with your directly through us, everything will get resolved and you get this MIS. Look at this brokerage MIS, this person generated. So everything is very clear and transparent. Everything available. You even get what date the money got transferred. These are the dates on which money got transferred to your account with the NEFT detail, which bank account, what date. Single page for all the business MIS. Don't have to run. Suppose you do business with 10 different companies, you will get 10 different MIS. After some time, you will just one person to understand what I am getting, what I am not getting, which policy I got, which I didn't get. You only will get because across NPS company, this company, you will have 10 different companies. You want 10, 20 different companies, or you want a single point which will manage everything for you. This is that single point which manages everything, so that you can enjoy your advisory and do your touch with your customer, which is what you want to do. Is that clear? I hope I have explained enough. Now, if you think that I didn't explain enough or I didn't cover the point which you wanted, I am available for you. Okay, for today only, because otherwise I am also very busy. Right? I have so many customers to take care of. Right? So please go and I'll go back to my screen. If you think you want to speak to me personally, send me a WhatsApp on this number. I'll connect you. This is a corporate number WhatsApp. Save this number, send your WhatsApp. Send your name, ARN, and I'll connect you. And mention that I want to speak. So It is true for everyone. Saurabh, you could not answer such one question. Those people who thought his question is not answered, there is option for you. For anyone who said no, this didn't. I wanted to know this and this was not explained. Despite I have given everyone to write everything on the chat, and I'm not blocking anyone to write whatever you want. Right? You can write whatever you want. So if you missed anything and you want to do anything, send a WhatsApp and you can speak to me personally. Only for today, because otherwise, I have 1,100 and growing customers to take care already, right? This 1,000 numbers also last. So yes, you can switch over from other direct other ARN. How do you switch? There is a switch button. Go to, there is a switch option. Once you upload from direct or other ARN, from direct you can't switch. Direct you can redeem. I said we can allow redeem from direct. From other ARN, yes, switch. When you upload the cash, the data of the other ARN will appear here. There is a switch button. Click on switch button and the money, the new fund is purchased in your ARN. Automatically is switched to a new fund. Is it clear, Arvind? So that second point. First, I'll go to the first point. Do you allow digital online KYC? Yes, we allow. And you finish the digital KYC, you will get online KYC done within hours, maximum within 48 hours. It is finished. That's the maximum, because there are working days, there are holidays and all that. It is done. Either you get a confirmation or whatever for that. So yes, online digital KYC through your own app. Send the app to your customer, say do digital KYC. Your customer himself can do, or you can do on behalf of customer. That's your choice. Most of you prefer to do yourself, and then you want customer help to whatever for that, OTPs and whatever you need for that. Yes, so digital online KYC is inbuilt. Switching over from another ARN is inbuilt. Redeeming your direct is inbuilt. Arvind Arora, any other query left? Any other query left? WhatsApp number. Want demo and details? Sign up. Anything which I didn't explain? Anything? Yes, from Switch, STP, SWP, you don't need your choice. You want authentication or don't want authentication? Both are available. You don't want authentication, or you only can do it, because every distributor has their own idea. You want authentication, don't want authentication. Both options are there. Hiren, happy? Yes, you can have. You are stuck with the app. You have a group. Viren says very, very happy. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and yes, Benedict, you can have. I am part of the same group where your RM is there. Your RM is already talking to you, working with you. So you write anything, I'll see. So you write. That's a chat only, right? WhatsApp group chat. You write. This is not there. I am always there. So don't worry. So this is the only company where I'm always around with all my customers to make sure that everything is top class, because I have a reputation to protect and I have a brand to. Okay, Benedict, great. So nice to know that you already signed. So I'm just telling them across. Yes, Hiren, welcome to Fund Expert Fintech. I know once you use it, you will find it. I'm not telling. See, it's very simple now. I can't go and make IFAs tell that we are good. They themselves have to tell we are good. Okay, so obviously if they are told we are good, you will also feel the same way. It's not going to be different. Okay, we make sure that you have your best. Okay, so everything is clear. I hope everything is clear. If anybody, okay, I'll give you one more opportunity. There are people who stayed back so late. Okay, there's so many started. So I'm giving you another special opportunity. You can speak now. You can choose to speak whatever you want. You have your one here itself, if you want.
Hello.
हाँ, जो बोल रहे हैं अपना नाम, please tell your name and from which city you are calling.
I am Hiren.
Yes, Hiren.
I am Hiren from Gujarat.
Welcome Hiren to Fund Expert.
मैंने आपका प्लेटफॉर्म फरवरी में देखा था, तब बहुत ही बेसिक लेवल का था और अभी तो बहुत ही अपग्रेडेड और मॉडर्न बना दिया है.
सर आप चिंता मत,
पूरा चेंज हो गया है. It's becoming advanced.
Yes, it is. Most welcome Hiren. Nice to hear you and welcome back. Welcome to
फाउंडर सर से बात की थी और वो
Sure.
बोल रहे थे कि हम इसको अपग्रेड कर रहे हैं और थोड़े टाइम में बढ़िया हो जाएगा। आई फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग उस टाइम पे मुझे बहुत वो इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगा था,
Oh.
लेकिन अभी वो
Okay.
पूरा मतलब कि पूरा एडवांस प्लेटफॉर्म आ गया। वंडरफुल, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, what I'm saying is, thank you very much for
Sir,
all the clarification.
Yeah, sir. One more
This
thing,
is
sir.
Benedict.
Benedict.
This
sir.
is Benedict.
Right. Just tell, so that I know who am I speaking to. Yes. Benedict.
Yeah,
You are from which
I'm
city?
Benedict.
From which city?
Yeah, thank you very much. What I'm saying is because this
No,
is
Benedict,
a new
which-
software for me.
Benedict, which city you are from?
Okay. I'm in Bombay.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Benedict. Tell me.
I'm in Bombay. Okay. And I'm already registered with NJ Wealth. I'm also
Yeah.
empaneled with Tata's. I'm
Right.
empaneled with ICICI Prudential also.
Yes.
So looking at your app, I find that everything is in one package.
Yes.
Okay. The only thing I should
Exactly.
able to use it very
You will be-
efficiently, which is why
You will be able to.
I will
use it.
really. Huh?
Yes. And once you are able to use it, you have to promise me you will also give me a testimonial for that.
Thank you very much. Okay, sir. Thanks very much.
Sure, sure. Most welcome in it. Anybody wants to speak, or shall I close the meeting? I guess it's getting late. You all stayed back. Thank you so much. I know there are always guys who want to understand more in depth. अगर आप कोई भी अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके बोलना चाहे तो बोल सकते हैं, जैसे बेनेडिक्ट ने बोला और किरण ने बोला। अदरवाइज फाइन, आपकी अपनी प्राइवेसी, यू डोंट वांट टू स्पीक एनीथिंग। आई हैव आंसर्ड ऑल क्वेश्चंस।
गुड आफ्टरनून, सूरज बात कर रहा हूँ पठानकोट से।
बोलिए सूरज जी।
कैसे हैं सर?
एकदम ठीक है, मैं बहुत फर्स्ट क्लास। आप कैसे हैं?
बहुत बढ़िया सर। एक क्वेश्चन था, जैसे अभी आप बोल रहे हैं कि अगर वेब पोर्टल के लिए लॉगिन ले तो सर्टन मतलब ये चार्जेस हैं, और एप्लीकेशन लेते हैं तो ये चार्जेस हैं, जो भी आपने अभी कोट करा ड्यूरिंग दी प्रेजेंटेशन, है ना सर? तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जैसे हम इसको अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं, लेट्स सपोज मेरे को 1 साल मैंने यूज किया, 2 साल किया,
ठीक
तो
है।
ये जो चार्जेस हैं इसका भी आपने कोई फीस के लिए सेटिंग करा है कि ये कैसे ग्रेजुअली आप बढ़ाएंगे? लेट्स सपोज आज मेरा ईओ है 10 करोड़, अब आपके सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ अगर ये तेजी से बढ़ता है, ये 100 करोड़ हो जाता है अगले 3 साल में या 2 साल में, आपके जो सॉफ्टवेयर के चार्जेस हैं ये किस तरीके से बढ़ेंगे ताकि मैं उसको अफोर्ड कर सकूं अकॉर्डिंग?
बता रहा हूँ, मेरे सॉफ्टवेयर एएम से चार्जेस नहीं है, मेरे सॉफ्टवेयर में यूजर से चार्जेस नहीं। इसका मतलब है आप ग्रो कीजिए, हम चाहते हैं आप आसमान की ऊंचाई छुए।
ओके,
आपका कॉस्ट नहीं बढ़ेगा। अगर आपने जो वेब और ऐप के लिए दिया हुआ है, जो भी कॉस्ट जो भी आपने लिया हुआ है, वही आपका कॉस्ट रहेगा। आपका एएम 10 का 100 हो जाए, कोई फर्क नहीं। ठीक है?
कितने टाइम, मतलब हर साल यही सेम चार्ज करेंगे इसको?
बढ़ाएंगे। देखिए, अब मैं 10 साल की तो बात नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि सबके कॉस्ट बढ़
10 साल की बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रहा, मैं भी नहीं 10 साल की बात करूंगा, लेकिन क्या होगा
अगले 2-3 साल में तो आप मान ही लीजिए कि हम कोई भी चार्ज, और हमको बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमको कस्टमर बढ़ाने में इंटरेस्ट है, चार्ज बढ़ाने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। तो इसलिए अगर आप लोग की अर्निंग, मतलब जैसे ऐसा होता है ना, रेगुलेशन के कारण आप लोग की अर्निंग बढ़ गई, आप लोग खुद बोलेंगे नहीं हम ज्यादा दे सकते हैं तो हम ले लेंगे कुछ। जब तक आपको खुद नहीं लग रहा देने लायक है, मैं लूंगा भी नहीं।
ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है अनुराग सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
या ठीक है। आई थिंक सबके मन की बात हो गई, आपने ऐड में पूछ लिया, आपने ओरली पूछ लिया। सो आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड सो वंडरफुल। आई होप आई विल सी लॉट ऑफ यू इन माय ट्रेनिंग सेशंस। वो ट्रेनिंग सेशन जो होते हैं उसमें भी मैं वैसे पर्सनली इंटरेक्ट करता हूँ। जो आपने देखा एक वीडियो देखा, वो वीडियो में साउंड आया था जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने पहली बार प्ले किया। लास्ट वीक का वीडियो था, लास्ट वीक हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेशन हुआ था, हमने किया था अपने कुछ कस्टमर्स, जो हम हर 1 मंथ 2 मंथ में ऐसा करते हैं, जबकि सारे वीडियोस और सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, 1-to-1 सेशंस अवेलेबल है, आरएम अवेलेबल, लेकिन फिर भी लोग चाहते हैं आप एक बार में मुझे 1 घंटे में सब समझा, सब प्रोडक्ट फीचर्स। तो फिर हम ऐसा सेशंस करते हैं अलग अलग, एक फीचर पर। जैसे एक कस्टमर बोल रहा था कि आप सारा फीचर समझाइए। आपको जस्ट बता दूं, एक फ्रंट एंड का फीचर 1 घंटा, बैक एंड का फीचर 1 घंटा, ऐप का फीचर 1 घंटा, ऐसे चाहिए टाइम चाहिए होता समझाने के। ठीक है? तो आप, लेकिन जब आप एक्सपीरियंस करते जाते हैं, आप सीखते जाते हैं, आपको एकदम ईजी हो जाता है। जैसे आपने वो वीडियो देखा ना आपने, बेनेटी जी, द वीडियो, सूरज जी, वो वीडियो ऑडिबल जो मैंने प्ले किया था?
हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी, ऑडिबल था सर।
थैंक यू। जस्ट कंफर्मेशन, क्योंकि पहली बार मैंने ऐसे वीडियो प्ले किया था वेबिनार में, तो मैं पूछना चाह रहा था क्योंकि मैं बताना चाह रहा था कि लोगों की ये फीलिंग है, वो एक्चुअल है यार, जो यूज कर रहे हैं, जो पता कर रहे हैं, और ये उनका खुद से उन्होंने जो बोला वो मैंने बता दिया। तो वो पॉइंट ये था कि ये ऐसे ट्रेनिंग सेशन हम करते रहे. नेक्स्ट वीक भी है, नेक्स्ट वीक इंग्लिश में, लास्ट वीक हमने हिंदी में किया, नेक्स्ट वीक इंग्लिश में. लेकिन उतना कोई मुश्किल नहीं. जो अभी आप साइन अप कर रहे हैं ना, आप वो अगले वेडनेसडे थर्सडे इवनिंग में 1 घंटे के लिए ऐसा टाइम रखा है, ये बहुत कन्वीनियंट है. और आपको एक साथ भी इतना लंबा लंबा नहीं है कि आप अटेंड नहीं कर पाए. और अगर आप अटेंड नहीं भी कर पाएंगे तो उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी अवेलेबल है, तो आप आराम से देखिए. ठीक है, तो हर तरह का हम आपको ऑप्शन दे देते हैं ताकि आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो. इंश्योर करना हमारा काम होता है कि हम आपको अच्छी तरह से सब नॉलेज और ट्रेनिंग दें. इनफैक्ट अभी से 2 घंटे 1 घंटे 2 बाद अगर जो उन्होंने साइन अप किया, मैं आपको लिंक भेजता हूँ. 2 बजे से इंश्योरेंस प्लेटफॉर्म का जो हमारा टाइप है IIFL इंश्योरेंस, वो खुद उसका ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है हमारे लिए एक्सक्लूसिवली. वो भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं जिनको इंश्योरेंस और इंश्योरेंस प्लेटफॉर्म में फीचर्स है समझने. तो जिन्होंने अभी साइन अप किया, मैं उनको भी वो लिंक भेज दूंगा, आप वो भी अटेंड कर सकते हैं. तो आप और नहीं भी अटेंड करना चाहें क्योंकि दूसरे ऑब्लिगेशन हो सकते हैं लाइफ में काम करने के लिए, तो आप उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग मांग सकते हैं या रिकॉर्डिंग देख सकते हैं. यूट्यूब में तो मिल ही जाएगा आपको बाद में. तो ये सारा चीज हमारा ऐसा क्लियर ट्रांसपेरेंट सपोर्ट स्ट्रक्चर है कि आपका कभी कोई दिक्कत आने का स्कोप ही नहीं है. हम उसके लिए कोई स्कोप ही नहीं छोड़ते. इसीलिए हम ये कर रहे हैं और इसीलिए पर्पस है. और नहीं तो फिर हम आप समझ रहे हैं कि हम लोग किस पर्पस और किस स्पीड से कर रहे हैं, और इसीलिए सबको ये बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. सो थैंक यू सो मच, आप हमारे साथ रहे एंड तक. यू वर ऑल देयर एंड इट वाज ग्रेट हैविंग ऑल ऑफ यू. And I'm sure we will have much more things to share again in future also. So with that, I am now concluding this meeting. Thank you so much. Okay.